Rafael.
Yeah. So we're gonna finally do some repairs on this car. There's been a check engine light that has been on for probably like 5 years or 4 years. It's always been bugging the crap out of me. So it's a TGV left hand side, which is the driver's side. Sometimes it stays open, which I really don't care. It's gonna benefit me, but sometimes it stays closed. And then I have like literally no power. And then it starts giving me a bunch of crazy knock and stuff. So what we're gonna do is that and some other things, which will probably be in separate videos. But we're gonna do that, put an oil cooler on, and also fix the oil leak that's at the bottom from the oil pan from one of the first videos a while back, where we followed the instructions and we probably shouldn't have and just done our own thing like we normally do. But now I have to deal with that problem, so we're gonna start taking off. Probably this video is probably just gonna be taking off a bunch of parts, and maybe like a part 2 and a part 3 and a part 4. Who knows? Maybe in like 5 to 6 years we'll finish this. At the rate we've been going. Right now there's nobody cutting their grass, there's no leaf blowing, there's no weed eating, there's no yelling or screaming. So we're gonna try to work on this peacefully in the next X amount of time until somebody wakes up, and then we gotta pause this until next week. So we're gonna set up the camera and give you little updates as we're going along. We're not gonna film everything because it's gonna, you know, be a long video, but we're going to take apart some stuff and see where we end up. So yeah, here's a truck, by the way.
Huh? I got it.
What is that? Tasty. Yeah. Well, you can eyeball it from here, right? Ready? Is it recording or not recording?
Yeah. No, it's a Hyundai. Or Kia.
I think I have to start with the intercooler.
Oh, baby.
Fortunately.
Okay.
Dude, who knows how long it's been since I've taken this thing off.
It gets all the way up. Alright, what's the first thing you're taking off?
Alright, the infamous intercooler. Oh, look at all the rust on that hole.
Jesus Christ, put some oil on that thing. Everything's spraying WD-40 on this thing.
Yeah. There we go. Let's see, this is probably gonna be like a breaker. Ready?
Nah. It was the one over here.
Yeah. Ah.
Come on.
Tip number 1. This is not for educational purposes, entertainment, but you know, a tip.
Don't put the bolts back. Throw them over here on the ground somewhere.
Just put them somewhere where you think you're gonna remember, even though you can't remember. So, just to, you know, now this is not a pro tip because I'm not a pro, okay? For anybody.
Amateur.
Yeah, this is amateur tip.
What? What happened, sir?
I dropped the freaking nut.
Damn it, we're not even that far in.
I see it already. Let me get my magnet.
Oh, yeah,
Horse. Horse, my horse.
what happened?
Dropped my first nut.
Oh,
Oh.
that was quick. Dang.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ow. I put my garden gloves on.
You're not struggling. You're doing it wrong.
Yeah.
You put your what, sir?
My garden gloves on. It's been the best investment
You're
ever.
gonna put the home method?
Okay, let's see. Part of it is not even my hands, it's my legs being stretched out.
Wiggle waggle.
There it goes. Let's see it moving.
It's going.
Ah, there it is.
Something with the shroud. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, yeah.
Well, the positive thing is there's no oil in here.
What?
No oil.
Oh, wow. It's dry?
Wow, dude, look at the way it was scooped up on here.
What the hell? Jesus Christ. Holy.
You can hear the
Oh,
stuff
I can
falling
see
off.
the hair in there.
Yeah, so
Beautiful.
that was nice, actually. Oh my Lord, baby Jesus. Almost died there. Somebody almost died there. Alright, let's see. Ready? Alright. We got a first timer over here. This guy right here. This is first time pulling an engine. This guy right here. Hey.
Hey, don't do this. First timer here, first timer.
We got a first timer over here. Here you go.
First timer, you're taking off.
Stop, man.
What's the last step?
But I'm going to put your gloves on because we need to get it off the. Oh, it came out and I got caught it. It came out. I gotta keep an eye. Hold on, make sure it's not catching over
That spring or something about.
Oh, so I gotta connect this over there. These switches. Let's. Whatever's around it.
Yeah, we're good. We're here.
Bro, I mean.
Are you gonna make 2 more copies? Or just bring it up?
Here.
Oh, I'll get you a towel. The rope? The towel. Sponsored by Blue Chew.